Hi everyone, today's topic is perimeter and area. We all know about the geometrical shapes like square, rectangle, triangle, circle, etc. इन सब शब्द से हम फेमिलियर है, राइट? यहाँ हमें क्या करना है, बस कुछ फॉर्मूलाज यूज करके सम्स करना पड़ेगा टू फाइंड आउट द एरियाज एंड perimeters of these shapes. Practically, this topic is very much useful as we all should know how to calculate area perimeter of a plot or a room of a building while buying, selling, constructing or any interior works of the building. The plot might be rectangular, circular or in any shape. You can get the area and perimeter of the plot using respective formulas. मुझे तो ये चैप्टर बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग लगता है. होप यू विल ऑल्सो एन्जॉय इट. बट बिफोर स्टार्टिंग क्या कहना है बच्चों? कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर, देयर इज नो फियर. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट डूइंग सम्स. First of all, definitions. Perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around a closed figure from start to the same point. मतलब एक closed figure का जो boundary है उस boundary का total length ही perimeter है. Next one is area. The measurement of the part of a plane or a region enclosed within the closed plane figure is called its area. मतलब closed figure के अंदर जो surface है ना उसी को area बोलते हैं. So next move on to our important formulas. Number 1, perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth and area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Here you see perimeter of this rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth and area is equal to length into breadth. Next one is square. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side of the square and area of the square is equal to side square. Here you see this is a square and here side means length of any side. A square का all sides equal है, so length is equal to breadth is equal to any side of the square. Next one is triangle. Perimeter of a triangle is equal to sum of the length of all the sides of a triangle and area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. Now here you see this perimeter is of this triangle ABC is equal to AB plus BC plus CA and your area is equal to half into BC into your height means here AD and this is our area. And next one is our circle and perimeter of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. This is also known as circumference of the circle and area of a circle is equal to pi r square where r is the radius of the circle and value of pi is equal to 22 by 7 is equal to 3.14 approximately. And here you see I have drawn r is equal to radius and area is equal to pi r square means pi into radius square and circumference is equal to perimeter is equal to 2 pi into radius means 2 pi r. And so let's start doing sums using these formulas. Exercise 16A NCERT Sababo. Question 5. The measure of two adjacent sides of a rectangle is in the ratio 11:10. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 84 cm, then find its length and breadth. यहाँ डायरेक्टली लेंथ ब्रेथ प्रोवाइड नहीं किया लेकिन रेशियोज है, सो कोई बात नहीं, वी कैन फाइंड इट बाय यूजिंग द रेशियोज ओनली. इफ यू वांट टू नो अबाउट रेशियोज प्लीज चेक द आई बटन ऑन द टॉप राइट कॉर्नर ऑफ द स्क्रीन. First of all, let me draw a rough sketch of the rectangle. This is our ABCD which will give us a clear picture of the sum. As given, adjacent sides are in the ratio 11:10 and P that means perimeter is equal to 84 cm. मतलब अगर एक साइड लेंथ है तो दूसरा साइड ब्रेथ ही होगा. एडजेसेंट साइड्स मालूम है, हमें पता है इन रेक्टेंगल लेंथ इज लॉन्गर देन ब्रेथ, सो लेट द लेंथ ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल बी 11x एंड देन ब्रेथ विल बी आवर 10x. नाउ पेरीमीटर का फॉर्मूला क्या था? 2 इंटू लेंथ प्लस ब्रेथ, सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 2 इंटू 11x प्लस 10x is equal to 2 into your 21x and this is equal to 42x. रेक्टेंगुलर का रेक्टेंगल का पेरीमीटर दिया हुआ है, वैल्यू इज 84 सेंटीमीटर. सो लेट अस फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ x बाय पुटिंग 42x इज इक्वल टू 84. 42x is equal to 84 according to question. It's given in the question. Implies x is equal to 84 by 42. That means is equal to 2 centimeter after cancelling out. ठीक है. Now length is equal to L is equal to 11 into 2 by putting the value of x is equal to 22 centimeter and breadth is equal to B is equal to 10 into 2 is equal to 20 centimeter. Okay. This is the answer. Khatam. Let's move on to the next sum. Exercise 16A NCERT Seba book question 15. One side of a square field is 62 meter. Find the cost of raising a lawn on the field at the rate of rupees 5.50 per square meter. So lawn on the field they are asking. तो बच्चों फील्ड में लॉन बनाने के लिए क्या निकलना पड़ेगा? एग्जैक्टली एरिया. इसका अंदर जो एरिया है उसका मेजरमेंट लेना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद रेट जितना है उसे मल्टीप्लाई करके टोटल कॉस्ट हमें पता चल जाएगा. चलो ड्राइंग हो गया. अब एरिया इज इक्वल टू व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर फील्ड? साइड स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 62 square. As here it's given 62 meter is the side of a square field. So 62 into 62 is equal to 3844. And as it's meter, so here we will have to write square meter or meter square. Okay, 3844 square meter. Now rate of 1 square meter means cost of 1 square meter is equal to 5.50. Therefore cost of 3844 square meter is equal to how much? 3844 into 5.50. So this is equal to rupees 21142. Since I know this type of multiplications and divisions you can do by yourself, so I don't do it to make the video shorter. Okay. Exercise 16B NCERT Seba book question 9. Find the area of an isosceles triangle whose base is 8 cm and the length of each equal side is 5 cm. Okay, let me draw the isosceles triangle first, which has two equal sides. हमें पता है isosceles triangle का दो sides equal रहता है. Here given these two side AB is equal to AC is equal to 5 cm and base यानी BC is equal to 8 cm, right? अच्छा बच्चों, ट्रायंगल का एरिया का फॉर्मूला क्या है? यस, हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट. नाउ बेस इज इक्वल टू 8 सेंटीमीटर इज गिवन देयर. हाइट हमें पता नहीं है, लेकिन वी कैन गेट द हाइट ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल बाय डूइंग ए लाइन परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम द वर्टेक्स टू द ऑपोजिट बेस ऑफ द ट्रायंगल. ठीक है. सो हियर आई एम ड्राइंग, दिस इज आवर हाइट AD which is perpendicular, and this is our height, and this angle ADC is equal to ADB is equal to 90 degree, and these triangles ADC and ADB are right angle triangle. And again बच्चों, in case of isosceles triangle perpendicular drawn from the vertex bisects the base. bisects the base मतलब बेस जो है ना उसका दो इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करता है. ओके, सो हमें क्या मिला? BD is equal to DC is equal to half BC. Okay, is equal to 4 centimeter. Now from triangle ADC, we are by Pythagoras theorem, this is as it is a right angle triangle, so our AD square plus DC square is equal to AC square. So implies AC square AD square is equal to 5 square. AC यानी 5 square minus DC means 4, since this AD bisects BC. So this is equal to 9. That means AD is equal to 3 centimeter. अब तो बिल्कुल आसान हो गया. Area is equal to half into base into height. We know area is equal to half into, here base means BC and height means AD. So this is equal to half into 8 into 3. So after cancelling out, क्या निकला? 12, and as these are centimeters, so 12 centimeter square or square centimeter. So this is the answer. So thank you for watching and see you in my next video with the continuation of the same topic. तब तक के लिए stay healthy, stay safe. Bye bye.